Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to take you through how to create a table of content. So this is a document that I'm going to use. So you are supposed to separate the Roman numeral page from the normal numbers. So you go to insert, then you go to the page number, go to format page number. So I'm going to assign my first document, my first page, in Roman numerals, start at 1. So you have to tell the Microsoft Word where the Roman numerals should appear. So mine, I want it to be at the center, the bottom page. So this is it. So after that, you are supposed to separate the Roman numeral page from the normal numbers. So I want the Roman numeral, the normal number to begin from here. So I want the normal numbers to start from here. So here is what I'm going to do. I'll go back to page layout. Then I go to breaks and I assign next page. Then I go back to page number. Go back to format. Then assign these two normal numbers. So that one. You're going to find out that from here, from up here, it is Roman numerals, but as you scroll down, start from the normal numbers. So now I want to insert my table of contents. So I will come to the page that I've inserted. So I want my table of contents to be here. So I go to the references. Before the references, you have to add all the headings and then the subheadings that you want them to appear in your table of content. So here I'm going to highlight my headings. Here's my first heading, so I'm going to highlight it. And come to the next heading also. I also highlight it. Then you go ahead and highlight all the headings and the subheading that you want them to appear. This one also. So this. Now here the subheading, you're going to also highlight them. So go back to home, assign them. highlight this one also. You have to highlight all so that they appear in your table of contents. So this sign means it has already been selected, as you see. So after that, you go to the page where you want to insert your table of contents. So here is my page. So you go to insert. So I'm going to put my table of content here. So I'll go to insert, then go to references, and go to table of contents. So here you're going to choose which one you want to use. So like this. So yeah, here is your table of contents. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos that are coming. Thank you.